Let's get ready for our landing of the 737 MAX, descending into Washington, D.C. It's gonna be night, but don't worry, you can still see the wing of the airplane. 737 MAX descending time. The lights are already dimmed for the landing. And let's wait for the flaps to be down. See if it looks like we are low to the ground. The MAX looks like this. You can see the big engine of it. I raised a second time for the plane. Let's wait. I wonder if the flaps are gonna lower down because this height is supposed to be lowered for flaps. Maybe they'll need to slow the speed down. Check out the engine of the 737 MAX. And here's a real descent. And here's a real descent in the 737 MAX -819. I wonder if you guys can see the engine or not. But it's the 787-819. The big plane, I think. Oh, turning around to Washington, D.C. Feels like the floor is going down. It's just very turn. We are low to the ground, so the flap's supposed to be down by now. It worked during takeoff. The flaps are supposed to be lowered by now. You can see the wing from the airplane wings light, even the winglets for United Airlines. We are turning in the 737 MAX. Like and sub if I should make one of these at home. It looks like this. The floor looks like it's long. The floor looks like it's going down like a slide. Oh, guys, you guys can't forget. Our 737's flaps are lowered. It means we're ready for lands. Our 737 flaps are lowered for landing. Can I see the flaps ready? It's like ready for landing on this plane. The flaps are definitely down for the 737 MAX's landing. Let's begin our real descent for the 737 MAX. Let's look. Good. We barely did descend. Descending right now. A 737 MAX is in low land. Whoa, there's some turbulence. There's gonna be some landing turbulence. Really turning. 737 MAX with a really big engine. I'm gonna try making a 737 MAX at home to show you guys. You can buy one in the link in the comments. You can buy one from the link in the comments. You can buy a 737 MAX plushie in a link in the comments, and you guys can see it there. Like and sub if you want to buy one. We are turning again. We are heading our way to Washington, D.C. We made it to our way to go. Let's go to Washington, D.C. on the 737 MAX. Los Angeles to Washington, D.C. The 737 MAX helped us. So I guess it's not too bad for it. can see Los Angeles Airport. The flaps isn't too down yet. Let's get ready. Oh, now it feels vibrating. The flap still is like that. It's not extending yet, I think. Here's our real descent. Let's get ready for a descent to Los Angeles. Wait. The flaps is still the same or no? I'll show you the other side window. On our side. Gonna landing time. Thank you. Good. Let's see the other window. Look, it's a landing ready. Our flaps look like it's not lowered. The flap doesn't look too lowered, does it look like? Is it lowered though? I don't know. So I guess the plane's flap already extended. I guess its flaps already extended, maybe. Anyway, let's get ourselves into Let's get ourselves into Washington, D.C. Let's get ourselves into Washington, D.C. through the 737 MAX. Definitely looks like this. Look at it. Let's get ready for the 737 landing. Oh, where's the runway? Oh, the runway! The runway to Los Angeles. Oh, there is the runway. Let's get ready for it to really landing. Hopefully it's not hard. There's the runway. Let's do it. Whoa. Whoa, bouncy landing. That's really loud. My ears roped. I'm just joking. It's still a firm landing though. It's still a firm landing. We just made it. We finally made it to our Washington, D.C. on the 737 MAX.
Welcome to Washington, Dulles. The local time is 9 p.m. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. You may continue to charge your phones and tablets. If you are sitting in the exit row, please don't plug your devices into the outlets. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket.
The lights are off.
Seat to make sure that you have all of your belongings, and be careful when opening the overhead bin. Once we arrive at the gate, our airport team will be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. Our gate arrival today is the D concourse at D16. And your feedback is really important to us. Some of you will receive a survey asking about your experience via email or in the United app. We'd love to hear how you've enjoyed your flight with us today. Once again, thank you for joining us this evening. We hope that you enjoyed your flight to Washington, Dulles. We hope to see you again on another flight. Thank you. Good night.
It's the end of the radio. Bye.